Hey y'all, and welcome to Soulsome Foodie. Today I am so excited to share with you the best banana pudding recipe, and I am not just saying that. This recipe is so delicious, it is highly requested, and it's easy. Just stay tuned. From start to finish, this recipe calls for some very simple ingredients: some whole milk, some French vanilla instant jello, make sure it's French vanilla and make sure it's instant, some whipped topping or Cool Whip, vanilla extract, nutmeg, 6 bananas, some vanilla wafers, and some sour cream. In a medium bowl, you see me here just adding in the 2 packets of instant pudding as well as milk, and now I'm going to spice it up just a little bit with that vanilla and that nutmeg, and then give this a nice whisk to bring all those flavors together. This is what's going to add the creaminess and lusciousness, and this is what's going to make your banana pudding irresistible. I'm adding in some sour cream and a half of that Cool Whip topping. Trust me, this is what does it. Do not skip this step. Go ahead and mix this in really well. So this is the base of this recipe, this pudding. We're looking for a custardy, nice rich texture. You'll see that I added just a little bit more milk so I could get that texture just right. Alright, now I'm just showing how I cut my bananas. I cut off both ends before slicing straight down the middle. That helps me to easily remove the peel. And then once I've done that, I'm going to be cutting medium slices into this banana. So not too thin, not too thick. I'm going to show you the perfect slice right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that to all 6 bananas. And here are how all 6 bananas look once they are cut down to size. Here are the containers I'm using today. I am using 2 different containers because I'm making this for 2 different family members. But of course, if you're making it for your family, just use one larger container and that will be perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and layer this yummy dessert. The first bottom layer is going to be some bananas and some wafers kind of mixed in together, and then a nice layer of that pudding. Now this is a glass container, and I decided to line up a few cookies on the outside where they could be seen. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and add bananas, cookies before adding some more pudding for this layer. And now for the last layer, I'm adding even more bananas and cookies before one more thin layer of the pudding. So as you can see, this is a 3-layer banana pudding. Now to finish off the top, you'll see me adding on some of the whipped topping. I'm gonna smooth it out really nice just to make a nice smooth layer on top. Alright, I think I have this whipped topping looking just how I like it. Now, of course, you can be done here. Go ahead and put this in the refrigerator, get it nice and chilled. But I like to up the ante a little bit with presentation. You know, we eat with our eyes first, that's what they say. Anyway, here I am adding some whole cookies, and then I'm gonna also crush some cookies just right in my hand to add that on top as well, just to give it that nice gourmet look. All right, here are the 2 pans of this triple layered banana pudding that I was able to get together today. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you can see that it's super simple. Anyone can do it. You can put this together in literally about 20 minutes. Just make sure you put it in the refrigerator to get it nice and chilled. Doesn't this look so yummy, y'all? Ugh, it's just delicious. Let me know if you try this. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.